What's up, everyone? I'm Gracier Rob, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought I would do something totally new, just to me, probably. Not to the internet, because you've all seen 1,000 of these. But I was going to do an unboxing channel of both the new Space Marine Heroes. I'm just realizing I did not get out my handy-dandy hobby knife for opening this. And also show this new Mega Butt Plug thing that they're selling. So I'll just go right to that. I really like the other ones. They're really handy for painting, especially if you're doing a lot of detail work. So this is the new one. Nothing really that spectacular or startling. It's just a bigger version. I was working on a lot of bigger miniatures on the larger chariot bases and such, and I really liked the other handle, and I wish that I had a handle for long-term painting on the bigger stuff. So I don't think they need it for like the really big bases, like the 120s and whatnot. But yeah, I'm really happy, and yeah, it's kind of stiff, but that's what she said. Yeah, but it's good. It's a perfect amount of stiffness. Yeah, so here's just for comparison, I've just brought out something I was working on right now. It's the Librarian. I've added some green stuff, cloak, fur. So I'm going to put him down here. I'm going to kind of pop him back up there so you can kind of see, because these guys are supposed to be the same size as Primaris Marines. So it's very exciting. They are in the old armor though, the Mark whatevers. Sorry, I'm not a scientist about Space Marine armor, so don't really know. But yeah, it says, so there's 12 in here apparently. And oops, I'm looking at the French side. Gotta have, is there only French on here? Blind buy, 9 to collect. Oh, it just says the same thing over and over in a bunch of different languages. Sorry, I literally haven't looked at it until now. I thought someone said that it tells you, oh, here we go. Yeah, okay, so on here it shows you which ones are which and what your chances of getting them. The captain, I was told you're guaranteed a captain in every box. That's clearly not the case. 1 in 36, so that's 1 in 3. And then I guess there's the possibility you might get 2. I don't know. I don't think that's probably how it works. I think they probably manually stick 1 in every third box, probably. And then you've got the hosers that are 1 in 6. So your chances you're going to get a couple of these guys, the ones that are 1 in 6. And then there's a few that are 1 in 12. So you're likely going to get 1 in every box. I don't know if that's a guarantee or not. Anyway, without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Yeah, it's too bad because the Japanese release, if you bought the box and they got that really, really cool Land Raider box, you were guaranteed to get 1 captain in every 24, but in every box. Whereas this one is 1 in 36. So, and we don't get the cool box. I think they're a little cheaper per dollar, but we also don't get the ones that are going to be in the Space Marine Hero box or whatever it's called. So, you know, I think the Japanese release is a little better, but your mileage may vary. I bought these for Kill Team. So, and hopefully this isn't crackling in the microphone. I like to just tie it in a knot because otherwise it comes to life, sort of. There we go. Put that down. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, would you look at that? This is very clearly made so that they can easily sell it in store, right? Okay, well, let's do this. They got little stickers. Doesn't seem to show who it is on every box. So, drum roll, please. For those of you playing at home, playing along at home, however you say that. Here goes number 1. Wouldn't that be awesome if I got the captain on the first try? This doesn't look like a captain. There's a little card in here. Oh, Brother Titus. Okay, who is Brother Titus? He's a 1 in 6. So this is one of the schmoes the regular guys. Okay, fair enough. I mean, that was the odds, right? Knowing my luck, I never win anything, so even in a 1 in 3 chance in this box, I'm not holding my breath of getting a captain. It's just how I roll. Like when I go fishing with people, it really just kind of ruins it. So here we go again. Drum roll, please. Looks like there's a card, so I hope. Unless they all say Brother Titus. I doubt it. So if this is Brother Titus again, I swear to God. Oh, Brother Castor. So Brother Castor is a 1 in 12. Cool, okay, I think. Let's see. I believe this is the a 1 in 12. And I don't know what makes him look, what makes him special. He looks totally normal to me. But cool beans. I said I was going to pop this guy up. I'm just noticing it's really hard to tell. 1 second. Let me. Yeah, he looks about the same size. I mean, this is a hero. Actually, I've never done the green stuff before, like molded it myself, so these guys are a better comparison. I think they're about the same size. They look a tiny bit smaller to me, if I'm being honest. But I guess the regular Marines are smaller, so I don't know. Just being honest with you, people. Don't hate the player. Okay. That was only 2. How far am I into this video? Should I speed it up? I can't tell. It doesn't tell me. Oh, here we go. 7 minutes. Yeah, that's too long. Okay, I'm going to try and go faster so I don't annoy people. Okay. Maybe I'll blow on it like my dice, right? Whew. That actually helped me get the card out. Brother Promether. Okay, this is cool because he has a plasma gun. So, sorry, my camera is a potato. But, yes, that is excellent news. I really wanted one of these guys for my kill team. So, at least one guy. So, that is really good news. Okay. Keep working. They're going to stack up and maybe block the view here. Okay. So, blowing on it worked, right? Let's do that again. Ooh. Oh wait, I gotta blow on it after. There we go. That actually legit worked. Brother Garrus. Sorry. Brother Garrus is a 1 in 6. So he's a schmo. So we're not too excited to see him. But we're also not surprised. Oh, sorry. My bad, y'all. Again, showing it to you is sort of like a tease. It's like, it's out of focus. I mean, you could probably look it up online and get really good quality pics. So, yeah. But I will try and remember to show it. Hopefully I didn't forget any. Okay, here we go. Oh, this one has a bigger sticker on it. This one has a double seal. So either it's a really bad one or it's a really good one. Right? Does that make sense? Brother Guyan. So he is a 1 in 6. So the double seal meant nothing. Oh, my bad. I don't think we've had any doubles yet, though. So I'm just working my way down the right-hand side of this thing. So this is the... After this one, we are exactly halfway done. By the way, what I meant was there was it this one? Well, maybe it wasn't double sealed. It looked like it. Oh, I lied. I mean, it didn't mean anything anyway. Hope I'm not blowing on the mic. That'd be awkward. Brother Daniel? Like Daniel with a V? And he's got a grenade. And he's a 1 in 12. Okay, so cool. Cool beans. He's in the middle of tossing a grenade. So that's kind of cool. I mean, they're all, in pretty cool looking sculpts. They look a lot better. than regular Space Marines because their shoulder pads aren't absurd looking. No offense to anyone who likes the absurd pads. Oops, there I did it again. Okay, we'll go from the back this time. We're going to start pulling from the back. It's like dealing from the bottom of the deck. See, again, this one looks like it's double sealed. It's not. I'm just blind or something. I'm giving you commentary so you're not bored while I try and open these things. Oh, we got a sergeant. Cool. Sergeant can't be. Yeah, he's a 1 in 12er. So I'm hoping for at least the missile launcher dude, if not the captain. Awesome. I think he's a sergeant. He's a sergeant or a lieutenant or something. He looks cool. How about that? I'm probably going to be doing these guys Space Wolves like everything else to honor my Viking heritage. Yay, missile launcher guy. Nice. I wanted him on my kill team. That's basically why I bought this set actually. So, good news. I got both of the specialists that I was hoping for. That's all I can really ask for. Okay, we're getting towards the end here. With this one, I think we're a quarter of the way done. Yes. We got another Brother Garrus. So, another Schmo. To the surprise of no one. Oops, there he goes. Back in. I like the little trading cards they come with. Okay. With this one, oops, pulled that out, didn't need to. He looks like a Schmo. Brother Caster. Another Schmo, I think. Let's look before I say that. Oh no, he's a 1 in 12. So he's... Oh, never mind, sorry. There's one that's a 5 in 36, and that's him. I was gonna say, he looks so normal. Some people might be pulling their hair out right now. I apologize. He was just a normal dude. I figured the guy that's super big wasn't him, you know? Brother Gayoon. Yeah, he's a 1 in 6er. So he's pretty common. Well, they're stacking up. Last one. If not now, never. Because I'm not buying another damn box just to get a captain. It's not that important to me. Ooh. Here we go, people. Brother Titus. So no. Which one's Brother Titus? I don't see him on here. He looks cool. He's about to slam the clip home. Oh, there he is. So he's a 1 in 6er as well. Well, there you go, people. Sorry to disappoint. I am also disappointed. I really think that there should have been at least one in every box, personally, but it is what it is. So I don't even know what he looks like. There's a little shadow of him on the back, but yeah, it looks like he has a power sword, maybe a plasma pistol, but yeah. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, let me know. Sorry, I put that off to the side so I would know how big it is, how much space I have to work with. I'm not selling for Createx or anything, but yeah. Cool, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. If you want more, let me know. I do have the 500th store as well as the store anniversary models, so I could do an unboxing for those if you want. yeah, let me know in the comments, and see you next time.